So right now today I want to show you how to create free capture pages. And capture pages are important because it allows you to follow up with your leads automatically. So if you head over to freecapturepagegenerator.com, and I'm going to zoom in to show you what this URL looks like. You want to head over to this website right here. And when you head over there, you're going to get to a page that looks like this. Now, when you get to this page, you're going to see three options: first, second, and third. You can choose which layout you want your capture pages to look like. I'm just going to go ahead and click the first option. So where it says select a temple above, you can actually see a closer view of what each template would look like, if you chose that particular layout. But again, I'm just going to stick with the first one, template 1, and I'm going to click on use this template. And when you do that, you're brought to a page that looks like this. And over here, you can enter in a pre-head, main headline, and I'm going to show you what everything looks like in a minute. So let me type everything in, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So where it says email address, you just want to go ahead and enter in your email address. So I'm going to enter mine in, and let me zoom in. And I don't want to upload a personal photo, so I'm just going to skip that. And where it says click here and paste your YouTube video code, that's where you can embed a YouTube video. And I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So let me scroll all the way above. And for the background, I'm just going to choose gray. And I want my headings to be red, so I'm going to keep that the way it is. So when you're done with that portion, the next thing you want to do is just scroll all the way down. And I'm going to click on submit because I just want to show you what this looks like really quick. And the one that says no identifier entered, that's the one that we just got done doing. And when you click it, it's going to look something like this. And where I typed in pre-head, subhead, offer text, sign off, main headline, that's everything that I typed in. If you want to have text over there in those areas, you would put text over there in those areas. So what I'm going to do now is embed the autoresponder and embed some YouTube video and show you what it would look like that way. But first, what I'm going to do is delete pre-head because I don't want to use the pre-head. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. For the main headline, I'm going to put this is just an example. And for the subhead, I'm going to delete that as well. For offer text, I'm going to delete that also. Sign off, we don't need that. And for the page title, I'm just going to name this one MCA. No identifier entered. We're going to change that to MCA page. And let's go find any kind of YouTube video for right now just to show you guys. So if I copy this video, and before you copy the video, you want to make sure everything is unchecked. And then you just want to go ahead and copy the embed with the YouTube video code. And you want to paste it right here. And if I go to click to update your capture page, as you can see, this is changed to MCA page. And if I go back to the page and refresh it, it looks like this so far. Now, if I want to continue to edit the page, I could just go over here and click on edit. And if I don't like that background, I can change it. Let's try something black. And so where it says autoresponder code, you can put an autoresponder in there, or you can put an image code. Right now, I'm just going to put an image code that's clickable. So I'm going to put that code in there, and once again, I'm going to click on this button right here. And if I go and refresh this page, now it looks like this. Okay. It looks just like that. And if you want, and this is how I created this page, it was free and it was easy to do this. And this is what you're going to learn how to do when you join MCA. So if you want to create a lot of follow-up capture pages, all you have to do is go to one of your follow-up pages, and you can just simply click on duplicate for as many pages as you want. And as you can see, it's making copies of that page. It's not wanting to zoom in. But it's making a lot of copies of it just like that. And all you have to, and if you want to just confirm that, just click on the page, and that's the copy. That's the original. And if you wanted to change the name of the copy, you would simply go to Edit, and where it says MCA page copy, you could just change it to MCA page 1. Or actually what you would want to do is probably go follow up 1 and then click to update. And as you can see, if you scroll all the way down, the one that I just did is right here. And if you go to edit, all you have to do at that point, excuse me, all you have to do at that point is simply delete the main headline, put new headline, scroll down, change out the video, I'm going to do that right now. So if I go select all and paste, I already put a new video in. And if I go to click to update your capture page, and refresh that page, well, actually, let me just go ahead and close out of both of those so I can show you. No, that's not it. MCA page. That was the original one I did. And this is the follow-up one is the one that we just did. And just like that, you have all of these, you can have all of these different capture pages for free that you can use to follow up with your leads. And I'm going to show you how to put all of these capture pages to use them with a free autoresponder when you sign up for MCA. And just to show you, of course, when the person wants to click on the image, register now, it would actually go to your MCA sign-up page. It wouldn't go to mine, it would go to yours. So that's how you would create a lot of different follow-up pages for free. Hope you like the video. So if you already know what MCA is, but you haven't signed up yet, if you're ready to sign up, go ahead and click my Register Now button and get signed up. If you're wondering what MCA is, I should have a link in the description of my YouTube video. Go ahead and click on that link, and it'll take you to a capture page where we'll explain more about MCA.